flower pot. I took my wood burner with the chisel tip. Creek Road has the signs. Which signs? These are vinyl. So Unique in the Creek has the vinyl. So I took that and I cut it right in half. So I could have 2 hats. And then I went right here in the middle, if y'all can see that. And I put 2 holes on each side so that you can, I'm trying. Take your zip ties and run your zip ties through there and attach it to your board. Okay. And then where I'm going to put the flower, I took and put a hole, all with my wood burner. Okay. What is a flower pot called? I don't know. Just a brown flower pot is all I put in. It is a 6.5 inch from top to bottom. Does that help? Okay, so it will sit like that. Normally a flower pot would sit like this, but I'm turning it upside down. Okay, so we are going to take a little bit of this ribbon and glue it. I'm just cutting off, just kind of measuring and cutting off how much I need. Okay. Now I'm feeling where my hole is. So that I can put a hole in that ribbon going right through. So I know exactly my flower stem will poke right through that. Okay, so it'll be just like that. Hello, hello. All right, so I'm just going to take a little bit of glue and we're going to start gluing it. I know, I love this ribbon. Walmart, Dollar General, and Dollar Tree all have flower pots. I'm going to take this and run it right through my holes again so that my pipe cleaner or zip tie will go right through that ribbon. Okay, see how I did that? And then I'm going to go ahead and take a pipe cleaner, cut it in half. Yep, get a black one. And I'm going to take and run that right through those holes. You can use a zip tie as well, whichever you prefer. Okay, let's try going this way for that one. And then down for this one. There we go. Okay, so now we have our pipe cleaner so that we can just attach it to the board. Take a little glue to hold that side down. Do the same thing to this one. Okay, glue this part down. Hello, hello. Okay, so now that's ready to attach. We're just going to take our sunflower, go right in that hole. Okay, so now we have a little sunflower. And then if you want, you can take 2 little squares. I'm going to use this. And I found a denim blue to match the denim blue in that Scarecrow ribbon. And we can just put our patches. Okay, easy peasy. And now you have a Scarecrow hat using a brown flower pot. Okay, so, and then you would just take the pipe cleaners, put them right through the holes on the board. Let me bring our Scarecrow back up. So put those pipe cleaners